Okay,
Oh, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Well, thank you everybody for coming out to our press conference to Mission of Power. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's involved with this program, to Erie Insurance, to Mike Bozzoni, to Mission of Power staff, the board, all the volunteers, interns. We couldn't do it without you. Back in 2007, Mission of Power formed because parents, advocates, people with disabilities saw that children with disabilities still weren't included in school or the community like they should be. Back in 2005, 2006, 3 of our local school districts were rated by our own Department of Education of Pennsylvania as in top 3 of the top 20 worst school districts for inclusion. So that's why our parents came together and said, we're going to do something about it. And voila, Mission Power was formed. So we were all volunteers till about 2012. We were very honored to be awarded a Community Parent Resource Center grant from the Office of Special Education Programs under the United States Department of Education. So we were able to hire staff. We increased our outreach to people in the rural areas, people of diverse communities, people living in poverty, to help them understand the special education system and to be their child's best advocate. We had trainings. Our trainings have just blossomed and grown over the years. And now we're developing our parent leadership program. Last year we had our strategic planning committee and we developed a 5-year plan with the help of our board, staff, volunteers. And now, this year, we are launching 2 new programs that were part of the strategic plan. Our Youth and Vision program and our Mission Read program. Did you know that only 34% of Pennsylvanians who have disabilities are working? That's outrageous. That is a sad, very sad and horrible statistic. So, our answer to that is our Mission Read and our Youth and Vision program. Thanks to Erie Insurance, they have graciously donated $10,000 for our Vision program, the Transition Success program. And then for our Mission Read program, they are matching Mike Plazzoni's gift of $5,000. So we're very thankful, very honored. And see, our Youth and Vision program, we're starting with a summit this July 22nd to 24th. Youth with and without disabilities will come together, learn about their strengths, develop awareness of other cultures, and just grow in their strengths and start to dream about their futures. And then we're going to help them along the way with pairing up mentors with them and various other programs throughout the year. And then our Mission Read program is to help kids who are 6 to 8 years old who have dyslexia or are just struggling with readers who have dyslexia tendencies. And I'm going to have Mike Plazzoni and then Carolyn Taylor talk more about that program. But thank you so much. And if you want more information, go to www.missionempower.org. Thank you.
Thanks, Joe. Hi, I'm Mike Plazzoni with Erie Insurance, and I had the pleasure of meeting Jill through a dyslexia support group that was started a couple of years ago. My daughter, Erica, has dyslexia, and we didn't know about it for a number of years and couldn't figure out what was wrong. And we finally found the right person to screen. Luckily, it was in 3rd grade, which is an early age to catch the dyslexia, and we were a fortunate one. But it kind of opened my eyes that this is a real issue. There's a lot of kids out there, up to 20% of the population has signs of dyslexia or some sort of dyslexia, and a lot of kids are falling through the cracks. So for the last couple of years, I've been on a commission, Pennsylvania Early Learning Investment Commission. High quality pre-K is very important for the 3- and 4-year-olds. Where Mission Read comes in is that as those kids go into kindergarten, there's about 20% of them that are going to have dyslexia. So if we can screen and then find and give them the right type of remediation that works for children with dyslexia, then we're going to be able to really help these kids and help the schools. So we have created Mission Read to do exactly that. And so it really fits in, and I've got a quote, the Erie County United Way, as part of the program to really eliminate and reduce poverty in Erie County, says that education, is a quote, education is the key to helping more people in our region become self-sufficient and break the cycle of poverty. On their website, the community goals include preparing children socially, emotionally, physically, and intellectually for kindergarten, and to make sure that children are proficient in literacy by the end of 3rd grade. So again, Mission Read is going to help accomplish that. As we go along, we're going to partner with other organizations as well as some school districts, because once people see how fast kids improve, the results are within months as opposed to years. And so we believe that this is going to be a nice pilot that could actually become even a regional and or national type of initiative that could help literacy in the United States. So I'm asking for people and organizations around Erie County to help either volunteer as tutors or to provide financial support. Because Mission Read is going to first service 6 to 8-year-olds from low-income families, from primarily the Erie School District, we believe, and there's the test scores there. We think we can help from that standpoint. So, just to wrap up, Mission Read is going to help kids get on board the education bus and not continue to be left behind at the curb. Well, thank you. Want to do the check?
Oh, sure.